Welcome back, dear students. So in our today's video we are going to see about cylinder and how to get its surface area. So we'll start here. Cylinder. So friends, we know that cylinder is what, just like you have measuring jars and you are having circular pipes, and even if you take this marker also, this is also one kind of what, cylinder. Okay, so these all are called as cylinders. If you notice, cylinders have this curved area. This is curved area which you call as the lateral surface. So here you can see this is what, lateral surface of this cylinder, and these are the congruent circular ends. You can say these are the two bases which are congruent. Okay, consider here I am going to draw one cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder, and what is this? This is just, it's about its height. Okay, and when you take this lateral surface area, you convert it, it become a complete rectangle. This part, if you see here, it is going to be rectangle, and this base circumference is going to be 2 pi r, and this height will be here. Consider this is one of the rectangular sheet, and if you fold it, it is going to be what? It is a cylinder. It is going to be what? A cylinder. And if you consider this sheet, it is going to be its length and it is going to be its breadth. But when you fold it, its breadth, it will convert into the height. This is the height of the cylinder. So rectangular sheet is there. If you fold it, the circular base circumference is become 2 pi r, and it's going to become its height of the cylinder when you make it is a cylinder. So the cylinder, when you open, it become a rectangle, and with the base 2 pi r, and with this height is a h. So when I want only curved surface of the cylinder, this is the curved surface of the cylinder. When we speak about the curved surface of cylinder, curved surface area, then you are going to say it is same as area of a rectangle, and we know that area of a rectangle is L into B. So here length is what? 2 pi r, and its breadth is what? Height. So you'll get a 2 pi r h. This is the curved surface area of a cylinder. In this way we have obtained here. Now if I am speaking about total surface area, if I am speaking about total surface area of a cylinder, then you can see that a cylinder is made up of, the net of the cylinder is like this. Okay, so here this cylinder is formed like this. Here you can say this is a circle with the radius r, here also circle with the radius r, and this is a height is h, and its circumference is what? 2 pi r. If you see, this is this portion and this is the this portion, and this is the lateral surface, this one, and this is the height. Okay friends, so if I am speaking about its total surface area, then I have to include area of base, area of top, and curved surface area. So area of a base is this one. So base is what? It is a circle. So circle's base is what? Area pi r square. Again top is also a circular, so top is what? Again pi r square. And curved surface area is a rectangle which we have got here, which is 2 pi r h. So in this way TSA of a cylinder we can get here as pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So pi r square 2 times, so you can write 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If you again simplify, you can take 2 pi r common, 2 pi r common, this one r also common. Here left 1 r plus this h. So this is a TSA. total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So how we have obtained? We have obtained from the area of a base, area of a top, and curved surface area, which we have got here. So cylinder's area, if you ask curved surface, so just take 2 pi r h. If asked take a total surface area, then you have simplified formula 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. R is the radius of this circle and height is this height of the cylinder. Now friends, moving to the exercise. Find curved surface area, area of the base and whole surface area of cylinder with radius 7 cm and height 6 cm. So here three things have to find out. First of all, curved surface area. Second thing, area of base. And lastly, whole surface, matlab total surface area of a cylinder. So we know that curved surface area is 2 pi rh. Area of a base is just pi r square. And total surface area, we know that it is, you can say 2 pi r. In bracket you can say r plus h. So these are the three formulas we have to find by using radius 7 and height 6. And friends, a pi's value you can take 22 by 7. If it is not given, you can take 22 upon 7. So we'll write down 2 into pi's value is 22 upon 7. Radius is given 7. Height is given 6. So this 7 ones are we can cut 2 into 22 into 6. So we get here 264. And it is area, so square units. Now area of the base, this one base is there. So pi's value 22 upon 7. R square means r into r. So radius is 7 into 7. 7 ones are, so we'll get a 22 into 7. We get a 154 centimeter square. And finally, whole surface area of a cylinder is 2 into pi's value 22 upon 7. Radius is 7. And in bracket r plus h means 7 plus 6. So 7, 2 2s are 4 and 4. And 7 plus 6 will get a 13 here. Okay. So just now we have to simplify all this. So we get here 572 centimeter square. So this is whole surface area. This is just area of the base, and this is lateral, or you can say curved surface area, curved one. In this way we have found these three. Just remember the formulas. Now the next question is find radius. We have to find out r. If curved surface area given and height given. So we know that curved surface area is 2 pi rh. Curved surface area is 2 pi rh, which is given as 704. This is a given data. So in this formula we'll keep height and we'll find r. So here height we want to find out. So height is equal to, height is already given. We want to find out r. So radius is equal to 704 divided by 2 pi h. Friends, this formula I have altered here. Means I have written in the format to find out radius. Radius is equal to 704 divided by 2 pi h will go in denominator. So 704 divided by, we can take 2 into pi's value is what, 22 upon 7. Height is 8. Okay friends. So just this 7 will go in numerator. In denominator 2 into 22 into 8. If you solve all these things, we are going to get radius. So here I'll solve it. 2 ones are, here you can take 2 3s are 6, again 2 5s are 10, again 2 2s are 4. You can again go 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So now friend, just take 11 ones are, 11 1s are, 11 6s are. Now 8 1s are, 8 2s are. So finally 2 into 7 left. So 2 7s are, you'll get 14 here. This 14 centimeter is radius. So just you have to do calculations part and you will get a radius here by using curved surface area. We have put the values and we have found. Now moving to the next question. The circumference of the base means this is a cylinder suppose, and its circumference is what 2 pi r given is 220 centimeter and the height is given 2 meter. Find the lateral surface area. So suppose this is a one cylinder, its height is given as 2 meter and its circumference, which is 2 pi r, 220 centimeter given, and we want to find out lateral, this one 2 pi rh we have to find out. So first of all we'll find out radius. So it is given that circumference is 2 pi r given, so we'll find out value of radius. So here pi is not given, so you can take 22 upon 7 into radius, which is equal to 220. So r is equal to 220. This 7 will go in the right hand side in multiplication upside. 22 ones are and here 10s are. So friends, we get here 35. So 35 meter is radius. Radius we got 35 meter. Now find out lateral surface area. So lateral surface area or curved surface, lateral also called as a curved surface area, is equal to 2 pi rh. So pi's value is 22 upon 7, radius is 35, height is 2. So 7 ones are, 7 5s are. So friends, just we have to multiply all these. So we get here 44,000 centimeter square. So this is in centimeter square. If you want answer in meter square, so which is nothing but 4.4 meter square, just divide it by 10,000. It is in centimeter square, it is in meter square. And here one thing remember, height is in 2 meter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Here also we'll take 200. Because one is in centimeter, another is meter. So do here 200 and just multiply these all. So now moving to the next question. A closed circular cylinder has diameter 20 centimeter and height 30 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. So total surface area, and given that here pi's value 3.14. So TSA of cylinder, we know that formula, it is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So 2 into pi's value is, we have to take 3.14 into radius is what? Here radius not given, directly diameter given 20. So radius is diameter is half, means 10. Here diameter given 20, so radius is half, that is 10. So in bracket r plus h, r is 10 plus height is 30. So 2 into 3.14 into 10, 10 plus 30 is 40. So now we have to do all this multiplication. You will get 2512 centimeters square. So this is the total surface area of a cylinder. So now next question is, a cylindrical pillar is 1 meter in diameter and 4.2 meter in height. Find the cost of whitewashing the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of 15 per meter square. So here diameter is given as 1 meter, so radius is going to be 1 by 2 meter, that is 0.5 meter. Okay, and height is given as 4.2 meter. We have to find out the cost of whitewashing the curved surface of pillar. So here we will find out curved surface area of pillar. We know that the formula is what? 2 pi rh. So 2 into, will keep the values 22 upon 7, radius is 0.5 and height is 4.2. So we'll divide this 7 with this 4.2 is 0.6. So we'll get here 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 0.6. So we'll get here 13.2 meter square. This is a curved surface area. Now we have to whitewash it, paint it. So for the cost is 13.2 multiply by 15, because for 1 meter square it is rupees 15 cost is there. So the total cost is going to be 198 for whitewashing this area 13.2 meters square, just multiplied by 15. The next question is the inner diameter of a circular well is 4.2 meter, and if it is 12 meter deep, find its inner curved surface area and the cost of painting plastering the inner curved surface area at the rate of 50 per meter square. So first of all, write down the given data. Here diameter is given as 4.2 meter. We want radius is half. So its half is 4.2 divided by 2. So we'll get 2.1 meter. Height is given as 12 meter. Now we want curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 upon 7, radius is 2.1, height is 12. So 7 ones are here, we'll get 7 3s are 0.3. So these all you will get multiplication 158.4 meters square. Just multiply it like normal and afterwards give a decimal. So now the rate of plastering for 1 meter square, rupees 50 it is coming cost. So we have 158.4 meter square. How much? So just multiply it by 50. So we'll get here rupees 7,920. After multiplication you will get 7,920 for plastering this curved surface area.